problem. Right, okay, for today we are going to learn about unit 3, which is wild weather. It is about weather, right? In the e-textbook, you need to right page 30, right page 30, and are learning about related to weather. Okay, kamu akan belajar ataupun akan ulang semula perkataan atau belajar tentang perkataan-perkataan yang berkaitan dengan weather, cuaca. Revise the seasons. Seasons is musim. Revise is ulang semula, ulang kaji. Alright, if you know already, sekiranya kamu telah tahu. Okay, and then write about the weather in your country. Okay, tuliskan tentang cuaca di negara kamu. Alright, which is Malaysia. And then ask and answer. This one is more on your speaking. Okay, you yourself, you need to record and then you need to answer about the weather. Okay, for different activities. So now let's go on for the activity for today. Right, so the page 30, okay, you need to do vocabulary and speaking part, right? So activity or exercise 1, okay, this is audio 1.36. Listen and repeat the different kinds of weather. Okay, dengarkan dan ulang semula, okay, tentang cuaca yang berbeza. Okay, what's the weather like today? Apakah cuaca seperti di luar? Apakah cuaca sekarang? Right, for me, like in Kota Belud, it is good now. Right, the weather is sunny. Now let's look at this one. Okay, the first look at the box, the words. Okay, the first word here is sunny. Okay, sunny. Sunny is let me zoom this so that you guys can see it clearer. Okay, sunny is cuaca cerah. Okay, cuaca cerah. Rainy, hujan. Windy, berangin. Snowy, bersalji. Stormy, ribut, petir. Cloudy, mendung. Damp, lembab. Icy, berais. Foggy is warm is what do we call it? Warm. Panas but not really hot. Okay, wet, lencun or lecah. Okay, wet. Wet is basah. Wet is basah. Dry, kering. Thunder and lightning. Okay, lightning is kilat. Thunder is guruh. Blizzard, ribut salji. Heat wave, panas yang melampau-lampau. Hailstones, hujan batu. You can repeat after me. Okay, atau boleh ulang cakap apa yang teacher cakap. Alright. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, cloudy, damp, icy, foggy, warm, wet, dry. Thunder and lightning. Blizzard. Heat wave. Hailstones. Alright. Now, look at exercise 2. Look at the pictures. What's the picture like in London? Where is London? Here is London. Okay. Tokyo. Where is Tokyo? This is Tokyo. Sydney. Where is Sydney? This is Sydney. Then Athens. Right? Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Hazik. Alright. welcome to the class. Okay, and then next is Madrid. Where is Madrid? Okay, this is the picture of Madrid. Okay, next, New York. All right, this is New York, right? So you have looked at the picture, and then what's the weather like in? Okay, so in your book, you need to write in London. Okay, because the first one is London. In London, it's cold and foggy, right? See this one. Okay, maybe it is not too clear here in my from my screen here, but you need to look at the picture from the textbook or e-textbook link that I gave you. Okay, so the next one is Tokyo. So in your textbook, in your notebook, you need to write down in Tokyo. It is what? Okay, where is Tokyo? Okay, this is Tokyo. Okay, when you look at the weather in Tokyo, okay, look at this one. See this one? What is this? This is lightning, right? Okay, this is lightning. What is lightning? Lightning is kilat, right? Yeah, so you can say in Tokyo, it's thunder. First, this is the weather. Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi Aqil. Hi, Aqil. Abang Aqil. Alright, welcome to the class. Alright, next, look at the weather. Okay, is there? Yeah, this one you cannot see here in the screen because here this one. Sorry, this one. In your textbook, you can actually see it. It says 14 degrees. 14 degrees. Okay, 14 degrees Celsius. Alright, so is this cold? Is this hot? Okay, which one? So we learned it, this one. Okay, or is it wet? Okay, so write your answer. I think it is cold for 15 degree. Alright, so you can say in Tokyo it's cold and what? And it has thunder and lightning. This one. Right? So you need to do for Sydney, Athens, Madrid, and New York. Right? After you have finished exercise number 2, you need to do exercise number 3. In which city, di antara city, what is city? City is bandar. Di antara bandar-bandar ini, okay, which, number 1, is there a heat wave? Di manakah antara bandar ini yang mempunyai heat wave? Heat wave, okay, here, heat wave here means cuaca panas yang melampau. Okay, look at here, Athens 27 degrees 27 darjah Celsius, in London 5 degrees 5 darjah Celsius, Madrid 18 degrees 18 darjah Celsius, New York -1 darjah Celsius, Sydney 38 darjah Celsius, 38 degrees. You cannot really see it here, but in your e-textbook you will see it. And then Tokyo 14 degrees, 14 darjah Celsius. So which one? So you know already the answer, it will be Sydney. So number 1, the answer is Sydney, right? So number 2, okay, I'm not sure whether you can really see it. I will make it full screen. Okay. Right, hopefully you can see this. Now, for number 2, could you hear thunder and see lightning? In which city could you hear, yang kamu boleh dengar thunder, guruh, and see lightning? Dan boleh nampak kilat. Where? Tajang, Tokyo, right? Right, so the answer for number 2, Tokyo. Okay, number 3. In which city, dalam bandar yang mana, could you get caught in a blizzard? Yang kamu boleh terperangkap. in a blizzard, dalam ribut salji. Okay, look at these. Okay, these. Okay, which one? Okay, so and then you write your answer here for number 3. Now, number 4, exercise number 4, read about the weather in Sydney, Australia. Baca tentang cuaca di Sydney, Australia. Then, kemudian change the red words, tukarkan perkataan-perkataan merah to make the sentences true for your country. Okay, where is the red words? Here. This one, you can't really see it clearly here, okay, but it is here. Sunny, the red words, dry, hot, windy, rainy, foggy, warm, stormy. Okay, you need to change. See, change, tukarkan perkataan-perkataan merah untuk membuat, to make, untuk membuat sentences, untuk membuat ayat yang betul for your country, untuk negara kamu, which is Malaysia. Okay, in Malaysia, do we have spring? Spring, what is spring? Spring is cuaca musim. Spring is musim bunga. Autumn, musim luruh. Winter, musim sejuk. Do we have that? Adakah kita ada musim-musim tersebut? No, we don't really have that, okay? So, I would like you to try to, be creative a little. Okay, try to change, alright? Change from these words, okay? To make it true, untuk membuatkan ia betul untuk Malaysia. Okay, especially in Sabah. Right, the next one. The last activity for today, number 5 in exercise 5. In what kind of weather do you do these activities? Ask and answer in pairs. You don't need to answer in pairs. Okay, you just need to answer on your own. Okay, let me double. Oh, sorry. Okay, this one. Okay, in your textbook, later on you will see down there. Okay, go windsurfing. Windsurfing is this one. This is windsurfing. This is surfing. Okay, go skiing. Pergi bermain ski. Play volleyball, bermain bola tampar. Play computer games, bermain computer games. Okay, down here you have the example of questions. Okay, you cannot really see it clearly here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, you cannot really see it clearly, isn't it? Okay, it's alright. So what you need to do is you need to answer these questions, right? Answer these questions. Okay, in here, down here, the first question here is, you can't really say it clearly, but when you open your e-textbook, you will see it clearly. When do you go windsurfing? Bilakah kamu pergi windsurfing? Okay, so the first one is go windsurfing. Number 2 is go skiing. So the next question, when you go skiing, and then you answer the question. I go windsurfing on windy days. Okay, this is the example. I go for windsurfing on windy days. Next, you need to answer and you need to question using this word. Okay, go skiing. Right, and then you answer. Okay, play volleyball, play computer games. Very simple, right? So you write your questions. For example, when do you go windsurfing? Okay, so in exercise 5, okay, this is an example. Number 1, right? When do you go windsurfing? This is the first question as in here. Okay, the first one, go windsurfing. Next is skiing, right? So here the answer is I go windsurfing on windy days. On windy days. Right. So this is the answer for the first question. Okay, this is go windsurfing. Right? This is go windsurfing. The next one is after windsurfing, go skiing. So number 2, you write down the question. When do you go skiing? Right. See this one and then answer it just like this first one. I go skiing on date. Okay, what's your answer? Look back here. Okay, on the lists of vocabulary. Okay, and then the third one. Right, the third question. The third one is play volleyball. Okay, third question is when do you play volleyball? Okay, so your answer is see, this one is go, the answer is go. This is go, the question is go, the answer is go. So if the question is play, so your answer is play. I play volleyball. Okay, on, okay, here, on, what? Okay, what's your answer? Right, the last one, computer game. Play computer games. Number 4, the question, when do you play computer games? Don't forget your question mark, right? So the answer is I. Again, this is play, go, go. So this one, play. I play computer games. On date. Okay, write your answer. So you need to find your answer from these vocabularies, right? Now, since our lesson or aim for today is for vocabulary and speaking, for this one, number 5, you need to speak. You need to give me your recording, right? Let's see, as in your here. Last one, ask and answer questions about the weather for different activities. What activities? Right, these activities: windsurfing, go skiing, play volleyball, and play computer games. Right, for today we learned already the words related to weather. Okay, and then we revised about the seasons. There are 4 seasons. Okay, the first season is winter. What is winter? Okay, winter, musim salji. What about just now? Summer. What is summer? Musim panas. Okay. Next, spring. Musim bunga. Okay, the last one, autumn. Musim luruh. Okay, so that is the seasons. And then write about the weather in country. Right, for this you will do it here in exercise number 4. Okay, you change the red words into the other words that is like here, for example, to make it true for Malaysia, right? And the last one, okay, and the last one, ask and answer questions about the weather, right? Okay, so you already did this, you have your answer. Okay, after you've write your answer, after you have written in all of these answers, right, you need to um, record yourself reading aloud. Read aloud the questions and also the answers. Okay, for example, you go to your recording application and then you record. Okay, you say, Assalamualaikum Miss, my name is, for example, my name is Haziq. I am from 1 Ibnu Malik. Okay, this is exercise 5. When do you go windsurfing? I go windsurfing on windy days. Number 2. When do you go skiing? I go skiing on... Okay, say your answer. And then you continue. Number 3 question and the answer for number 3. Number 4 question and also the answer for number 4. Okay, I hope you understand. Right? So, that's what we do today. Alright? Okay, so again, these are the weathers, right? You can see, right, weather, thunder and lightning, right? Cloudy, okay, rainy, okay, cloudy, sunny, cloudy, and so on. Alright, so I think that's all for today. So you need to do all of the exercises now. So if you have question, you can ask me in the text later on. Okay, alright, thank you and assalamualaikum and goodbye.